How to fix Sitting Ducks is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library and you'll need to right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11 and go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed you can close Steam. Next you'll need to open up your browser and then you'll need to navigate to this link which is going to be in the description below. And from this redistributable table, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of them. Now, when you finish installing these, it will require a computer restart. So right after restarting your computer, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU drivers. So you can use the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software if you're running AMD. And you can go to the drivers section, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available update. And finally, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from the library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.